Hi everyone! I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on your project. So it's going to cover poetry and diversity. And your driving question here is, how do activists use poetry and imagery to advocate for diversity in our society? So I just kind of wanted to tell you how to use this Google site. So there won't be any confusion. Hopefully it'll be pretty clear for you. So this homepage here is full of the important information you need to know, like the standards, what skills you need to develop, the expectations. So you have your rubric here, how you know when things are due. You have your timeline here. And this bottom part's really important. You need to click on the image here, and it'll make you your own copy of your inquiry journal. And that is how you're going to record all your thoughts and your work concerning this project, okay? So this is going to be an exploration project where you are basically thinking about questions that are prompted to you, and you're just putting down really your thoughts as you explore these different areas, okay? So the next page here is your getting started page, and here it is here. It's already loaded. So your getting started page, the first thing you want to do is listen to Amanda Gorman's inauguration poem, The Hill We Climb. Okay, and as you listen to it, I want you to think about these questions. And again, whenever you see questions popping up, you need to check your inquiry journal because you're going to be expected to record your thoughts in there, okay? The next thing you'll be doing is going to the diversity page, and you see there's questions here. You're going to explore the inspiration page. There's questions here. You're going to explore the tools page. More questions for you. Then you're going to actually brainstorm and write your poem in your inquiry journal. Then you're going to collaborate with the class and plan the showcase. Okay. The very last thing here is you're actually going to have a showcase, and you can have more than one showcase depending on what you all decide you need to do. Okay, but this is really important that you read through the getting started section before you actually go to the pages, because this is where you're going to find the questions that you need to think about as you explore the pages. Okay, so when you go to the diversity page, there's lots of different resources for you to look at. There's videos and articles and some infographics, okay? So there's a few more little questions here to consider about each article and each video that's specific to that video, but there's larger concept questions that you're going to find on this getting started page, okay? So once you hit the inspiration page, you'll see that I kind of introduce you to the ideas here. So be sure you read this. But then you're going to hit these sub pages. Okay, so it's going to give you examples of performed poems, video poems, visual poems, and two other ones, blackout poems and illuminated poems. Okay, so I want you to look through those and see what they are and see which ones you find most powerful, and consider the questions that are posed to you as you're exploring those poems. The tools page here is going to be for once you decide what kind of poem you want to do. This is going to give you different tools that will enable you to be able to create the poems. Okay, so and a lot of these are interactive right here on the page, but some of them might make you, and this isn't really loaded for some reason, like right here, you can actually interact with this and put in the URL right here to make an audio clip, okay, an MP3 file. But anyway, lots of good information, ways to create different types of poems, and technical obstacles you might find, okay? Last but not least, we have this showcase page here. And there are actually some shared Google documents here for your class. And that's where you're going to brainstorm in your inquiry journal, but then you will be recording your ideas here too.